Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video I'm gonna show you my technique how to diagnose your car if you have no check engine lights on, your transmission shifts hard, when you drive the car doesn't give you horsepower. I'm gonna show you the easy way guys to figure out what's the issue on your car and you can fix it. By the way, I'm free to diagnose that. So my technique is really easy using Google only. Google, yes, is the first YouTuber or first mechanic gonna talk to you about Google. Google give you everything. You don't need a mechanic, especially a car has no check engine lights on. So I just fixed my car today using just Google to figure out what's my issue on my car and did step by step, look at all this problem we have, what Google question be asking for, and he give me everything, guys. So let's go and show you what I'm supposed to be do and let's figure it out. So we have a laptop. If you have a phone, anything, Google gotta be answer all your question, guys. This is my laptop. So sorry if the camera is shaking a little bit. I don't know why my hand's shaking. So let's go and figure out. We gotta show you the technique I do personal on my car, how I fix cars. So we go to Google, I go to the speaker and ask questions. What happens if your exhaust is leaking in your car? It might affect your horsepower.
According to Walker Exhaust, an exhaust leak can affect the performance of your engine. You may notice that your vehicle doesn't have its usual pickup and go when you punch down the gas pedal. Your vehicle will continue to lose power if the exhaust leak isn't fixed.
What happens if your car speed sensor is bad or is dirty?
According to carparts.com, one of the most common signs of a bad speed sensor is abnormal automatic transmission operation. If the VSS is faulty, the transmission may exhibit symptoms such as delayed shifts, hard shifts, and limited gear operation.
What happens if you change your transmission fluid but for some reason the car stays shifts hard?
According to Amsoil blog, if you've recently changed your fluid, the computer may still operate as if old fluid is installed, causing poor shift quality. In these cases, keep driving and eventually the computer will relearn your driving habits and the behavior of the new fluid and adjust accordingly.
What happens if the O2 sensor is dirty on your car?
According to eBay, dirty oxygen sensors have an impact of your car's performance. Signs of dirty sensors include the check engine light coming on, high fuel consumption, and sluggish acceleration.
What happens if the O2 sensor is dirty on your car? It may affect your horsepower in your car.
According to Ryder's Auto Repair, power loss surges. If the oxygen sensor sends readings to the engine control module and it incorrectly increases the air in the combustion chamber, you will experience spurts of power loss when you accelerate and drive. If there's too much fuel in the chamber, your vehicle will surge sporadically.
What happens if the car shifts hard in the morning when the car is cold?
According to Amsoil blog, when the temperature drops, transmission fluids with poor cold flow properties can thicken and cause elongated and hard shifts until the fluid has warmed up enough to flow properly. Switching to a high-quality synthetic transmission fluid will help.
Now we gotta ask Google for the most common issue in Nissan Infiniti. It was the U1000 losing communication with ECM, TCM, and PCM. So let's ask Google what answer we're gonna get for that code. What happens if you have no communication with ECM, TCM, or
According to Kelly Blue Book, this may include everything from general transmission performance problems to the vehicle refusing to shift out of a specific gear or even just an illuminated check engine light that won't seem to go away.
see guys? You see guys, it's really easy to use Google to answer the question for you. If you have any question in your head you want to ask, and Google is gonna ask all the question, by the way, give you all the information to give you everything you need. So I fixed my car today. The car was driving crazy, especially in the morning. The car is cold starting, the car start normal, no check engine lights on, no track control lights on, no anything. But for some reason, transmission or differential, I don't know what's going on there. The car start drive like crazy, shifts hard. The car want to jump, and the car doesn't want to shift first gear, second gear. And after that, I did what Google asked me to do to check all this stuff I've been asking for, and I figured out the issue. I fix it, and the car drive normal. And I'll show you why I did buy all the thing. Stay with me, guys. So, guys, before I think it was the platinum spacer was leaking. I checked it yesterday, and there was some. All of this one lose a little bit, and this one, but that was not the problem. After that, I checked the connection here. All the connection is good. So I checked the sensors in the back and the engine for the camshaft position sensor and for the car. Is everything inside is good. I have no check engine lights on. I think it was a vacuum leak, but nothing on that is the problem. So issue, they have no code, no transmission code, no track control or code, no anything. After I have an accident, someone hit my car last time, so it damaged my exhaust, and I fixed the leak. So yeah, it damaged my car from here and the back, so I have to fix all that. And so my car shift transmission really hard. So I checked the code. There is no code on the car. I think it was transmission or something else. What I did, I go underneath of the car, check any leak or anything. So I've been looking for the back wheel drive. This side has sensor for the back wheel drive, and other side you have another sensor. So after I remove it, look at all this dirt and the wheel sensor. Yeah, this is really bad, guys. If that sensor go bad or is dirty, he doesn't read the CV axle. This way he gets an issue. So let's clean it and see what's going on. Now after I clean the sensor, that car shift like right, doesn't jerk before the car jump. So now the car drive better. You see, guys, really easy to find out what was the issue. So I did go to my car and I fixed the issue I have. I have in the morning, drive the car shifts really hard. And today I figured out I fixed the issue and I show you the whole video now.